Jesus disappoints. Imagine walking with hope, only to have it shattered. This is the tale of Cleopas, a follower of Jesus, confused and heartbroken. Cleopas witnessed a miracle worker and dared to believe that Jesus was the promised Messiah. Jesus' crucifixion was a crushing blow. For Cleopas, it wasn't just a loss, it was the death of hope. Walking back from Jerusalem, Cleopas and his companion discussed everything that had happened, struggling to understand. Then a stranger joined them. It was Jesus, risen, walking beside them, listening to their tale of despair. In their blindness, guided by disappointment, they didn't recognize him. It took the breaking of bread for their eyes to open. Cleopas's journey teaches us a profound lesson. Even in our deepest disappointments, our greatest hopes can walk beside us, unrecognized.